Single head welding machine. Used for white UPVC profile and colorful profile which full body same color. Can weld V-shape and 45-degree welding. The parameters temperature and heating time and cooling time can be adjusted according to different UPVC profile. 3 layers adjustable welding blocks. Simple operation and high efficiency. PLC control welding programs. Pneumatic transmission. Standard welding height is 140 millimeters and can be customized to 160 millimeters and 180 millimeters. Heating plate with linear guide rail, more stable and accurate.